Hi everybody. Today we're going to be practicing our skills with using apostrophes. So your assignment tonight is to watch this video. A worksheet goes along with it. And the way I want to set this video up is I want you to use the pause button. So you're going to try sentence one, hit pause, try it, and then hit play and see my explanation of what the correct answer is and why. And then try number two, or then hit pause, try number two, hit play again, and kind of go sentence by sentence and see what the correct answer is, what apostrophe was missing, or what was wrong with that sentence, and then why an apostrophe needed to be there and why it needed to be in that specific place. So let's get started. Give number one, the first sentence, a try. Okay, so hopefully you've given that a try. Let's talk about number one. All right, so it says John, Sam, and Molly paintings are amazing. Well, something belongs to John, Sam, and Molly. All right, these paintings, right? And the way we're going to do this is, well, they each have their own painting. So whenever you see this, there's not a painting that they share. They each need their own apostrophe. John's, Sam's, and Molly's paintings are amazing. That's showing that John has a painting, Sam has a painting, Molly has a painting. They all have a painting that belongs to them. So for this one, really what we're looking at, the reason this is showing possession. So, oops, it shows possession. Oops, sorry about that. And it's showing possession, but more importantly with this example, what we're talking about is that the painting belongs to each of them. They each have their own painting, okay? So let's go on to the second sentence. Hit pause on the video and try the second sentence and try and give an explanation of why we're using an apostrophe there. Go ahead. Okay, let's see how you did on this one. So he finished his tour of duty in Iraq in '03. Well, this is an example. Well, let's see where we need an apostrophe first. Well, right here, '03. We need an apostrophe right here because in this case, we are using an apostrophe because we've omitted something. We've omitted a letter or a number. So there's something that's in place here that would normally go there, but we're kind of shortening it up a little bit. We would need, this really is in place of 2003, right? We know the Iraq War, 2003, 1990, or 1903 wouldn't work, but 2003 makes sense, but we're just getting rid of that. We've omitted this. So this is an example of why do we need one here? It's in place of an omitted. Actually, I'll just say, because it's more than one number of omitted numbers. All right, 2003. '03 is short for 2003. All right, hit pause on the video, try number three, and explain why. Oh, we're back here. Let me erase this. There we go. Now, we're back at number three. And for number three, it says, have you cleaned the women's restroom yet? Well, there's definitely an apostrophe that needs to be in here. We've talked a lot about this in class. Something belongs to these women. Now, first of all, let's look at this. Women is plural for what? It's plural for woman, right? So this is your singular. Right, and women is plural. So it's plural. That means, but we're showing possession here still, and we're still looking at possession. What's belonging to the women here? Well, it's the restroom. Typically, it's that word that's following the subject here, the women's restroom. So we just put an apostrophe right here in between the N and the S. Okay, that's actually a horrible looking apostrophe. Let me fix that, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, let's give that a try. All right, a little bit better there. So the women's restroom. The restroom belongs to the women. It's already plural, just need that apostrophe between the N and the S. Some people are going to put that apostrophe after the S. That's not correct. Women is already plural. Okay, hit pause, try number 4, and remember to explain why. Okay, number 4 said the president's speech was informative. Right, gave a lot of information in that speech. And so something belongs to the president. This is another example of possession. The president's speech. Well, the speech belongs to the president, so we need an apostrophe. Well, there's only one president. It's not the presidents, like multiple presidents. Barack Obama, President Barack Obama, he's the president of the United States of America. There is only one of him. So it is a singular word, president, but the speech belongs to him, so we need an apostrophe right here in between the T and the S. And in other words, the reason, it's another possession. It's showing possession. The speech belongs to the president. Okay. Hit pause one last time. Try number 5. Okay, number 5. It says the new car is yours. Like you have a Corvette Stingray or a Lamborghini. They can't believe that that new car is yours. Well, this is a common error. First of all, let's take a look at this. Do you ever see something that you read that has yours with an apostrophe at the end? Have you ever seen that in anything you've read? Newspaper articles, things online, books? Probably not. But it is a common error. Some people are going to think that's correct. But this is an example of a possessive pronoun. Okay? In other words, we don't need this here. We need to get rid of this. Shouldn't be there at all. It should just be yours. And why? Well, this is a possessive pronoun. It's a possessive pronoun. Let's think of some other examples of possessive pronouns. You could have ours, hers, his, right? All possessive pronouns. Yours is just another example of it. So there is no apostrophe needed there. That new car is yours? Question mark. So you don't need an apostrophe there. You should be getting rid of the apostrophe in that situation. Okay. I hope this video helped. Feel free to come to myself or Mrs. Martin if you have any additional questions before we have that test coming up later this week. Thanks.